So this is Vorsteiner's 602 Flow Forged wheel. So Flow Forged, as you may recall, Flow Forged is the next level above cast. So it's a little bit stronger, a little bit lighter, but of course, not the price point of fully forged. So what we got here is a 6-spoke split wheel. As I think I mentioned this before, but if I haven't, 6-spoke wheels always look so good on trucks. At least in my opinion. I think they look good in trucks all the time. It's like how 5-spoke always work with sedans and coupes, things like that. I feel like 6-spokes, especially if you're going for like a rugged look, I think 6-spoke is a no-brainer, bro. Anyways, this is a carbon graphite finish, and basically what that is this is like a dark gunmetal with some like metallic flakes on there, so it's nice and shiny, but it's still dark. And I believe they have other finishes as well. Typically, what you can do is if you don't like this finish, you can always get it refinished locally, and Vorsteiner also offers refinishing as well for an additional price, but you know, if you want what you want, then get what you want, dog. This is a 20 by 9 inch wheel, and if you haven't guessed it yet, it is for a Ford Raptor. If you see any of Vorsteiner's wheels, they always have this European aggressive track styling, and it's kind of cool to see them kind of shift lanes and do trucks, you know, and see how the design language from that European styling transfer over to trucks. And I must say I like it a lot. Aggressive, they got it done right. They got that aggressive styling down, right? And they got the cutouts to make it look really, you know, bulky and blocky. It looks really good. But what I like too is it's more detailed than a lot of wheels out there that are made for trucks, especially at this price point. And to give you an idea of price point, a 20-inch wheel like this, you're looking at about $17.50 for the entire set. That's it. I mean, if you compare this with other brands in the similar field, similar market, I mean, you're getting a much higher quality wheel without really going that much more in pricing. I mean, most truck wheels are cast wheels, and those are super heavy, and they're not that strong to begin with. So this is almost like, this is a no-brainer. So let's do a close-up of this wheel. So starting right off the bat, we have the Venomrex engraving up top. Looks cool. So the cool thing with the center cap is Venomrex or Vorsteiner kind of kept with the same theme with having like a thicker, bulkier center cap like for a lot of truck wheels, but again, it's not as big as like other brands, which is cool. It's like they kind of kept it, but they just minimized just a little bit just so it's not so over the top. I like the little rivets they put on there as well, just gotta keep with that same theme. Here's a close-up of the cutouts on the edges of the wheel. I think they're trying to go for like that beadlock look, you know, that beadlock ring look, sort of, kinda. So I think that's kind of cool.